Hi, my name is Ilona. I'm a foster carer for the Dogs Trust. My current foster dog is Hector. He's 8 years of age. He's a cross staffy, but unfortunately he's blind. He's a loving dog and just needs a loving home. Hector could quite easily live with another gentle dog. He's very affectionate. He loves all the other dogs that we've met. He's not over playful or giddy. He's very gentle. And he would make a lovely companion dog. If you think that you could offer Hector that loving home, please contact the Dogs Trust as soon as possible.